everybody, welcome into Farm Cooking with Nan. Today we're going to be making some chocolate cobbler. Let me get my clothes straightened out. I can't stand anything up around my neck hardly. But I'm going to throw 2 sticks of butter in a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. And I'm going to pop that in my oven and let it melt. I just heard my oven go off at 350. Okay, it's set at 350. Next, I'm going to mix some things together. I'm going to put 1 1/4 cups. Let me grab my dish, my bowl here. I just washed and dried. Okay, I'm going to put 1 1/4 cups of sugar. I'm going to put 1 1/2 cups of self-rising flour. And then I'm going to put 3/4 cup. First of all, I'm going to whisk this together a little bit, just sort of mix it up with the sugar and the flour. And then I'm going to put about 3/4 cup of chocolate milk. Now, if you don't have chocolate milk, you can use just whole milk. But I've got chocolate milk, and that's what I'm going to do. I had the 3/4 cup. And I'm just telling you, I don't get paid by any of these brands or anything, but my favorite is Mayfield. Mayfield chocolate milk is the only milk I will drink. The only and that right there, see, I don't hardly, unless I cook with milk, I don't drink regular milk. So this little bit of chocolate helps me get a little bit of milk into my body, which is good with calcium and stuff. But if they don't have Mayfield, I don't drink it. I don't drink it. Okay. And then I'm going to put about a teaspoon of vanilla. That's about it. That's about it, about 1 teaspoon. I'm going to mix this up. And we're going to wait on that to come out of the oven. And we're going to show you what you're going to do to layer it up and get ready to get it into the oven. Okay, so we'll be back in a minute. Okay, our whatchamacallit, our butter is still melting in the oven. I needed 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and I'm going to show y'all something. This is just a little hack I do. When I open up a new box, I just make me a little incision like that, and then whenever I get, see how smooth and how easy that is to get you a tablespoon or a teaspoon or whatever it is you need. Okay, I just went ahead and put all that into 1 measuring cup. I just wanted to show you that little hack. That's one that I've done for a long time. It's so easy. And I'm going to put 1 cup of sugar with this. And then we're going to mix that all up. 1 cup of sugar, 6 tablespoons of cocoa. We have to wait a minute or 2 till that melts in the oven. And I've got 2 cups of water on the stove, and I have it heating up because I want it really, really hot, okay? So let me check on my butter. Just a little bit more and we'll come back. We're back again. I got this. This is a very hot dish. It's been in the oven, melting my butter. I've got just a tad bit of butter left in there. But the first thing I want to do, stir this up again. Do not mix this. Just pour this all over your butter. Do not mix. Let me get my little spatula and get the rest of this out. We don't want to leave anything in there. We've had the most beautiful weather here. The wind, you know, that September wind has just been wonderful. It has just been so pretty, warm, light breeze, you know. Then we're going to take our sugar, our cup of sugar, and our 6 tablespoons of cocoa, and we're going to put it right over the top of it. Don't stir any of this, okay? It's hard to believe something like this can come out so good, but it does. Okay, now put that right there. Now I've got 2 cups of very, very boiling water that I'm going to pour right over the top of this. Not stirring. You don't stir through this at all. Now I'm going to open up the oven at 350 and put this in there. We're going to check it. Let me get all that off the rim. We're going to check it at about 45 minutes, okay? Okay, we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, let me get these. I'm going to hold this up here for you. Oh my. Look at that cobbler. Holy moly, that looks so good. I can't wait to try it. Okay, I'm just going to go right here. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Oh my. Oh, look at that. Look at that, young'uns. That looks like it's as delicious. I'm going to get a quick little picture of this, okay? Isn't that looking good? Now I've got me some vanilla bean ice cream. Take my little ice cream scooper, my old-fashioned ice cream scooper. I've about to eat this up. Don't that look good enough to just stick your face in? I have just got to have me a bite of this, young'uns. This is going to be delicious. So good you slap your brains out. Hadn't had any in a while, you know. That's mighty hot. If I had a third hand, I'd be doing that. Let me tell you something. This right here is just delicious. Makes me think of a dish my mother used to make for us kids. And I'm telling you, it was delicious. We just couldn't wait to find out Mom was making it. Hope you get a chance to make you some. It's just called chocolate cobbler. And I know it's put together weird, but young'uns, I wished you could get down in this dish and look at how good, ooh, moist, that moist chocolate is down in there. I hope you get a chance to make you some, like I said. And I hope you all enjoy it with your family. Hope you have you a big old bowl of ice cream with it. Vanilla bean ice cream is excellent with it. And just want to tell y'all that I love you, tell you that I appreciate you watching my videos, and I appreciate you sharing those videos with other people. Y'all are just too good to me. And I want you to never think that I take y'all for granted, because I don't. I know you could watch somebody else instead of coming to see me, and I would understand. Sometimes I think to myself, well, why in the world do people want to watch me? I'm just an old farm cook, you know. I'm not an educated cook. As far as going to school to learn how to cook, I have never been there. But you all look over my many faults, and y'all stand behind me and back me up, and I appreciate that. I really do. Well, young'uns, I want you to know how much the Lord loves you. I don't know how in the world, don't know what in the world I would do, how I would face things that come into our lives without the Lord. And I just want you all to feel that same thing in your heart that I feel, that we can't make it without the Lord. So all we have to do is call out on His name. He's right there with us, and He'll be with you. Couldn't make it without Him. Well, I'm going to go, and I want you to know I will see you all next video, if the Lord's willing for me to be alive, or for us, any of us, to be alive, or for things to be going good to where we can still video. It's always according to what His will is, okay? We will see you next time, okay? Lord willing. Love yous. Bye-bye.